Hey! Hey, welcome back to the Happy Place Diaries. This is Sadie.
I'm Teresa.
And I'm Jerry.
And welcome.
And we're going to do a little DIY project to solve a problem, so stay tuned. Take two. Okay, so what had happened was when we were on our big trip this summer out in Wisconsin, everything was shake, rattling, and rolling, and our pocket door came off the track. And we fixed it. We kind of put Band-Aids on it until we got home and realized that there's a pin and a lock system, and the lock system had completely broke. Hi, Sade. And so on our last outing, we went to an RV place down in Bend, and we actually fixed the door. But what had also happened was the little strap that secures the door in travel, it also snapped. And so we're looking for a solution to that, and I got a $1.80 fix, and it's this, a sash lock. So we're going to go ahead and attach that to the door and the frame, and we are going to solve this problem. You know, we never really closed that door, so we just want it to be secure while it's traveling, and hopefully with this, that'll also keep everything in the track and where it's supposed to be. So let's go ahead and get that on. All right, so first what we had to do was to determine where we wanted it. I'm going to go ahead and drill a pilot hole. And I'm going to go ahead and get that bottom screw in. Well, look who decided to come out and help, huh? Say hi, buddy boy. Hi, buddy boy. What do you got? You got Papa's keys? Okay. All right, well, here's the deal. Turn the light on. It's a day later. And all that work that we did was for nothing. Have you ever been doing a project and it just doesn't work? We tried 3 different things. We tried magnets. We tried this clip system. I'm going to go out here where the light is. Try this clip system. And what happened was, because the door is on that track, it pulls out. So this did not lock in. I even tried reversing it so that the hook would keep it. Did not work. What I ended up doing is going back to Home Depot and going back to something simple. Safety first refrigerator lock. Let me show you this. All right, I don't know if you can see that or not. There we go. So it adheres to here. I'm going to put a screw in here. And then it goes around and clips right here with the thumb. Push. And it comes undone. That's real dark. I apologize. So that was it. That's my $2 fix, and that is going to hold that. This is why I need to put the screw here, because I need to put the screw right here because of that action right there. It's going to pull that off eventually. Not only that, but when I took that one screw out, now this is really off track, so I need to pop that screw back in there. So that's what I'm going to do next, and I'll show you. Okay, so that's it. That's the project. Let's get that to focus here. All right. So that's it. That's the project. Refrigerator. I'm using, I put the original screw back in. This hard strap. So basically all I have to do is press that button right there, and that releases the door. and that'll keep it back in. And we'll see how this holds. If it doesn't, I'll put some of that super E6000 glue behind that. But that's it. That's the fix for the door. Okay, so knocked out that project. Bonus tip, if you've had your trailer for a little while, you notice that you're constantly going around tightening up screws and touching up this and touching up that. Get yourself a set of these. They are Varathane little markers, and they're in wood tones. I'll pull one of those out. I'm going to focus. There we go. And they're in various wood tones. They fit pretty much every tone in your trailer. And it's nice. You just take the cap and then hold it up to where you got a scratch. And I'll show you what we're doing. Because, you know, we keep these, go around touching stuff up. And I'll show you the touch-up that I have to do this week. Okay, so this is the cabinet right underneath our sink. And because it's right under our sink, this is where the garbage can is. Don't put that in your mouth, bud. No, no. Not in your mouth. That's right under the, this is the under the sink. So what everybody does is they grab the top of the cabinet here and open it. Well, those are where the fingernail scratches are. So I'm going to take our Varathane marker, took the cap and matched it, and now I'm going to touch that up. And it's pretty simple. It's a pretty nice tip there, and basically I'm just going to mark over the fingernail scratches. All right, now I'm going to get a paper towel and wipe it, and that should blend just nice. That is under the cabinet. I missed a spot. It's under the cabinet, so you really don't see it. But it bothers me. And that banging you hear is Mr. Levi here got himself a water bottle, and he's smacking things around. So that's what you do. You know, you grab your markers, and it got real dark here. There we go. You grab your markers, and we've got them in a whole bunch of different colors. You can see that in the packet. I think it's like a 6-pack. Lots of colors in there. It's all wood grain or wood tone colors. And you're constantly walking around doing little dings and stuff. So there's a bonus tip. So we fixed the door. It took us a while. It took us some figuring out. Our original plans didn't work. We went to something very simple. And then marking up the cabinet to make it nice and neat. So anyway, hey, listen, share this with a friend. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And we really appreciate you watching. So thank you very much, and we will see you in the next video.